How to effectively clean up your Instagram followers list. Looking to streamline your follower list and understand who unfollowed you on Instagram? In today's bustling social media landscape, managing your Instagram followers is crucial for maintaining a vibrant and engaged community. With all the influencers, video bloggers, business accounts, and trending AI tools flooding Instagram stories and feeds, old and cluttered accounts are losing the battle every time. So learning ways to regularly clean up your follower list can go far and help you significantly impact your account visibility and rankings, grow your audience engagement, bring new followers, and even triple your business income. Today we will share some proven tips and methods to take control of your Instagram follow base and keep it fresh and updated, so let's jump right in. Identifying inactive and irrelevant followers. Utilize analytics tools. Start by leveraging Instagram's built-in analytics and tools or third-party applications to gain insights into your followers' engagement levels. Segment your followers. Categorize your followers based on their interaction frequency, response to content, demographics, and relevance to your niche. Review follower quality. Consider the quality of engagement rather than just the quantity. So identify followers who add value to your community and try to engage them directly with your content and similar interests. Check posting frequency. Evaluate accounts that post excessively or rarely. Assessing their posting frequency can help in deciding whether to keep or remove them. Assess engagement timing. Analyze when your followers are most active. Removing accounts that engage at different times may help in targeting content to a more receptive audience. Strategies for cleaning up your followers list. Unfollow inactive accounts. Start by unfollowing accounts that have been inactive for an extended period. These accounts may no longer engage with your content or hold relevance to your profile. Remove irrelevant followers. Identify followers who might not align with your content or niche. While respecting diversity, focus on keeping followers who actively engage or share similar interests because search engines will reward you with authority and better visibility. Check the link in the description for more proven tips on better search ranking in our dedicated guide. Use third-party apps. Consider utilizing third-party apps that will do all the heavy work for you and help identify and clean up ghost followers or just spam accounts that follow frequently, quickly, or even automatically. We've recently reviewed and listed 12 of the best unfollow apps for Instagram that will make this task simple. Check the links in the description for Nitrio and 11 other top apps to clean and boost your Instagram. Assess engagement consistency. Evaluate the consistency of engagement from your followers. Remove accounts that inconsistently engage with your content over a long period. Consider audience demographics. Review the demographics of your followers. If certain accounts don't fit within your target demographics, it might be beneficial to unfollow them. And again, using one of the up-to-date Instagram unfollow apps for iPhone or Android like Nitrio to filter them out easily will give you a great hand at effective audience management. Impact of cleaning your followers list. Enhanced engagement. A streamlined list allows you to connect better with your active followers, leading to increased engagement rates. Improved reach. Proven Instagram marketing strategies show clearly that with fewer inactive accounts, your content has a higher chance of reaching a more engaged audience. Better algorithm performance. Cleaning up your followers list may positively impact the Instagram algorithm, potentially boosting the visibility of your posts. Quality feedback and interaction. With a focused audience, you're more likely to receive valuable feedback and meaningful interactions, fostering a stronger community. Higher conversion rates. Engaging with a more responsive audience often leads to higher conversion rates and potentially better sales or conversions, leveraging insights gained from those Instagram follower tracker apps. Bottom line on how to clean up your Instagram followers list. Effectively managing and cleaning up your Instagram followers list isn't just about numbers, it's about fostering an engaged and authentic community. Implementing these strategies, and utilizing the best unfollow apps for Instagram will undoubtedly boost your account's performance. Create a more valuable experience for both you and your followers. Future-proof your work invested in growing your channel and your business. So there you have it. Instagram success is not as simple these days as it used to be, but it's totally doable and totally worth it. Go ahead, clean up your follower list, and get to work creating new quality and exciting content to get into those Insta trends. Discover more from best software and apps, tested and reviewed for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.